Hey there, I'm Nicole King. I'm the broker owner of 41 Realty Group in Billings, Montana. Today I'm here with Megan Tann. She is a commercial lender at Stockman Bank. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
So Stockman Bank is a local bank here in Billings. They started in Miles City though, right?
Yes, this coming year, it's 70 years. It's our 70th anniversary. So
That is amazing.
it's very exciting.
Okay.
We've been in Billings the last couple decades, but yeah, 70 years and going strong. We're the largest family-owned bank in Montana, and so local, community-oriented, local decisions is what we're all about.
I love it. So what I like about the local decisions that I can send somebody to you that has maybe a little different situation and they can explain it to you. It's a bunch of local people that get together to decide all about their loan rather than some underwriter and who knows what making that decision.
Yep, exactly. They're dealing with people here in Billings or maybe across the state depending on decision making, but we're all here. They can come see us in person. We're not in California, Florida, wherever other places might be, but we're all here. So
where are your branches in the greater Billings area?
So we have one on Shiloh. That's where I'm located. It's on the corner of Shiloh and Grand.
Okay.
We have King Avenue right in front of Home Depot. Downtown by the Alberta Bear.
Okay.
The Heights on Main Street. Grand Avenue off of like 14th and Grand.
Okay.
And then we have one in Warden as well.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
I'll have to drive past it next time I'm there.
Yes.
Okay. And then you're in commercial lending. So explain to us, what is commercial lending versus, I think a lot of people, when they think lending, they think of cars and homes and that kind of stuff. So what's your niche in the lending world?
So commercial lending, any commercial building that a business is located in, investment properties. So if you're going to go buy a rental, if you don't go secondary market, we do those in-house on the commercial side as well. Business startup loans, business vehicle loans, anything along those lines.
Okay, so if it has to do with a business or an investment, so some investment property, meaning like you're not going to personally live in that property,
correct.
Or a second home that maybe you visit once in a while,
correct.
Use as a rental, that kind of stuff. So you can handle those things.
Yep.
And one of the other things I love about Stockman is that I might send somebody to you, but you can have a full conversation with them and you can handle their banking needs, residential, home loan. Well, you wouldn't, you'd have somebody in your office, I guess is what I'm saying. So you can listen to their full story. What are all the services that Stockman offers? Yeah,
so in each location, we have everyone you need. We've got tellers, customer service representatives who open your accounts and do any servicing there. Safe deposit boxes in our locations, commercial banking, consumer lending for your home equity lines of credit, vehicle loans, commercial for my side, and then residential for mortgage loans. So you call any one of us, we guide them to the right person wherever they need to go. So we're very customer service oriented, so we get them to the right person without trying to send them all around town. So
I love it.
Yeah,
it's wonderful. Everybody that I have sent your way has just glowing things to say about you. They always have a fabulous experience.
That's great.
I love it.
Yeah.
So how did you get into commercial and how long have you been doing it?
So commercial itself, I started 8 years ago, 8.5, 9 years ago.
Okay.
When I started as a loan assistant, I was a commercial loan assistant, kind of worked my way from there, became a credit analyst and then a banker. But I actually started in banking as a junior in high school as a teller in my small hometown. So that's kind of where I started. Nope, North Dakota.
Okay.
So started there and then came out here, went to college. My daughter and I moved out here and then decided to apply for Stockman because they were building the location on Grand. Got excited about it, started as a teller, and I've been there for 10 years now in March. So yeah, it's been a long time.
70 years for Stockman, 10 years at Stockman, all next year. Awesome.
Yes.
That's amazing.
That's true.
That's amazing. What do you love most about commercial lending?
I love being able to help any of the small businesses. It really held true during the COVID and PPP loans. A lot of those businesses, it was ride or die, and so we were there for them. With the PPP money, it helped out a lot of businesses from shutting down. So I love being able to do that, and then every day, whether it's getting their startup funds or that investment property or growing their business, getting a bigger space to help any of those needs. So it's great helping out people do their dreams with businesses. Yeah,
I love it. That's so awesome. What is the thing that when clients come into your office that like the myth or the misunderstanding that you have to sort of undo most often?
I think in commercial it comes a lot with people think to get like a business loan they need to have a lot of money.
Okay.
And I think that's kind of a myth. There's a lot of programs out there to help small businesses that we have relationships with the SBA.
Yeah.
There's one called MoFi. They're located on the western part of the state.
Okay.
And so we work with a lot of those places where they might not be truly bankable yet, but we want to help them get to where they need to get the starting, and then we kind of come in afterwards or help them along the way. So I think if they don't have a ton of assets, ton of income or money, they can still get a commercial loan.
I love it.
It might start small and grow from there, but
Yeah.
and we're there to help kind of coach them along the way. You know, give them a punch list. You need this, this, and this, and
Okay.
then you're
So
good
if
to
somebody
go.
has like an idea
Yep.
right now
Mhm.
where they're like, I don't even know where to start.
Yep.
They can maybe sit down with you for a few minutes and you'll say, well, hey, maybe you need a business plan. You need to do some research on this.
Mhm.
Whatever those type of things are. You'll give
Yep.
them that list and get them started.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
I love it.
Give them a punch list.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
That's awesome. Anything else that you want people to know about you or Stockman?
I don't think so. I think that's it.
Okay. If somebody has a commercial need, an idea rattling around their head, anything like that, how do they
Yes.
get a hold of you?
So I'm located at the Shiloh branch off the corner of Shiloh and Grand. I can be reached by phone, email. I'm on the Stockman Bank website, so you can find me on there.
Okay, perfect. And one more question. Banker's hours. Do you work just banker's hours or available a little bit more than that?
No, that would probably be another myth. Is
Okay.
It's not just 8 to 5. We don't,
Yeah.
leave right then and there. I'm usually available by email or phone any time of the day, or even sometimes on the weekends for some of those emergencies. But that's another myth is banker hours. Yeah.
Well, if you were looking for anything related to commercial lending or need maybe a contact point to do commercial lending and any other financial needs, get a hold of Megan. I'll put her contact information in the next slide. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you in the next video.